The BMW Series F40, produced from 2019 to 2024, features the iDrive 7.0 infotainment system, allowing you to easily switch between various audio sources. This video will guide you through changing sources like FM radio, DAB, USB drives, and Bluetooth devices, ensuring you can enjoy your preferred audio while on the road. Your BMW F40 supports 4 primary audio sources. Let's explore each one. FM radio provides traditional analog broadcasts. It offers wide coverage and is widely available, but audio quality can degrade in areas with poor signal strength or interference. DAB, or digital audio broadcasting, offers digital radio with potentially higher quality audio. Where available, it provides CD-like clarity and can carry multiple stations. Coverage varies by region, with strong adoption in Europe. USB allows playback from connected storage devices. The system supports various formats including MP3, AAC, and high-resolution audio up to 24-bit 96 kHz. Simply plug in and play your music library. Bluetooth enables wireless streaming from your smartphone or compatible devices. It supports high-quality audio and allows hands-free calling. Pair up to 2 devices for seamless connectivity. Knowing the strengths of each audio source is the first step to optimizing your driving experience. To switch sources using the touchscreen, first start your car. The iDrive system powers on, displaying the main screen. On the main iDrive screen, tap the radio or entertainment icon. Then select Source. A menu appears with options. A list of available audio sources will appear: FM, DAB, USB, Bluetooth. Simply tap the source you want to switch to. The system will then automatically start playing audio from your selection. Alternatively, use the iDrive controller. Rotate the knob to navigate to the radio or entertainment section on the main screen. Press the knob to select. Then, rotate to the source option and press again. A list of sources will appear. Rotate to highlight your desired source. Press the knob to confirm your selection. If you have the BMW Intelligent Personal Assistant enabled, you can use voice commands to change audio sources. Simply say, "Hey BMW, switch to FM radio," or "Hey BMW, switch to Bluetooth." The system will automatically change the audio source to your requested selection. Ensure the assistant is active and can clearly understand your commands. To start pairing a Bluetooth device for audio playback in your BMW F40, first access the Communication or Settings menu in the iDrive system. This is where you'll find the Bluetooth options. Once in the menu, select the Bluetooth option. This will open the Bluetooth settings where you can manage paired devices and initiate new pairings. Next, select Pair New Device from the Bluetooth menu. This will put your BMW's iDrive system into discovery mode, ready to find your phone or audio device. Now, activate Bluetooth pairing mode on your phone or audio device. This usually involves going into your device's Bluetooth settings and making it discoverable. The device will broadcast its availability for connection. Your BMW will display a list of available devices. Select your phone or audio device from this list to initiate the connection process. Follow any on-screen instructions that appear, which may include confirming a passcode or accepting the connection on your device. This completes the secure pairing process. After successful pairing, you can now select Bluetooth as your audio source in the iDrive system. This allows you to stream music, podcasts, or other audio directly from your connected device. If you experience Bluetooth connectivity problems, first ensure your device is within Bluetooth range, typically about 10 meters from the vehicle. Make sure the device is properly paired through the iDrive menu. If connection drops, try restarting your device or repairing it. For USB playback issues, make sure your drive is formatted in either FAT32 or NTFS file systems. FAT32 is widely compatible, but limits individual file sizes to 4 GB. NTFS supports larger files but may require additional compatibility checks on some devices. DAB radio availability depends on your region. In areas with limited DAB coverage, such as rural zones or certain countries, switch to FM radio for consistent reception. Consult local coverage maps to understand digital radio signal strength in your area. For the best experience, regularly update your iDrive software through the My BMW app. These over-the-air updates provide performance improvements, bug fixes, and enhanced compatibility with modern devices and audio features. The automotive audio landscape is rapidly evolving towards digital and wireless integration. Future BMW models will increasingly rely on wireless CarPlay and Android Auto for seamless connectivity. AI-driven predictive source switching will become a standard feature, automatically adapting to your preferences and location. While the F40 model may not receive major updates, understanding these trends will help you prepare for future automotive technology advancements.